Yusek, may we have your reaction about the statement of Senator Amy Marcos when asked about her relationship with the president? She said it's non-existent. Your comment.
Yes. Immediately after the Uplift Committee meeting, I approached the president and asked about this comment or statement of his sister, Senator Amy Marcos. And he said, yes, they haven't spoken for almost 3 years. She has not been attending family gatherings, family events. So yun po ang sagot ng Pangulo.
Sorry ma'am, usyoso pa ako. So what was the reason? Bakit umabot ng ganong katagal yung hindi raw pag-uusap of the President and Senator Amy?
Tanungin niyo po siguro si Senator Amy dyan dahil sa Pangulo po ay wala po siyang masamang anumang damdamin sa kanyang nakakatandang kapatid.
Last na lang ma'am, but can you please describe the reaction of the President? Like, how does he look when you asked about his relationship with his sister?
Paano ko ba i-describe yung kanyang reaksyon? Bago siya kasi sumagot, ay pinag-isipan niya talaga. Sa aking paningin, sa kanyang body language, ay disappointed siya sa kanyang nadidinig ng mga salita mula sa kanyang kapatid.